Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U MLA Barim ka South Tura constituency u John Leslie ki sangma. U baju Kynthoh teng e baka BJP kadai ka Seng Kaba Lehbeiñ ki Redpan bat Pharia Jaitbynriew. Menta ula Rung no sendon kumudukhat bapura jong ka BJP ha kaba ula kren ya ro ru ya ka nongrim jong ka neka Seng baju menteri Rung ba du kari Narendra Modi. Lapdang sungubha ya u John Leslie shaka BJP ha ka jingelang ha office ka BJP ha Shillong ha ka jingedon lang u president ka BJP u ba Ernest Mauri u menteri sarkar u ba Sanbor Shulai u menteri Barim ka sarkar u ba Lehbeiñ nalor u MDC ka Tura u Bernard Marak bat kiwe u John Leslie u lakren ya ro bhaya ka BJP da ka ba ai nam bakalale bon ki kamban Kynthoh ya ki kampen roi hakari khamtam hapo ka jingelam u Narendra Modi u John Leslie u lakubur ba baro shikata u ju Kynthoh ya ka BJP Henry day hakini ki khendas nam ba ula nang wat jingtem batlap ba ka nika Seng ka yeng ha ka nongrim jong kariti senshar kari Une u MLA Barim ka South Tura ula ong ba ula de ban pen paushai chekinong kershan ki jong u ba omdan mano bala banlen yakawai ka jing shisha bat kata kalong baka BJP kadai ka Seng san perthei ka bakhlan bat omdan bala ban pen herno yakani ka Seng naka khet jing senshar hakari wat hakini kisnem banwan Daga jingrong u John Leslie shaka BJP lakmi lentiru ba unsalong u kertong na South Tura haki election MLA bansawan bad ondan arngot ki kertong Kynthoh bu MDC ka Tura u Bernard Marang habakali yakane u John Leslie ulaong bakum u MLA Barim udan ka jing angnun ban yakhun ya ke election badlong u kertong ka BJP Henry ka shong hakarai jong ka Seng namar on beteng bantrai nakabantaki patba
Just now, I've been asking people in Garo Hills, my well-wishers and my colleagues and leaders in Garo Hills, one basic question. Can anyone deny the fact that BJP will be there in the center for the next 20 years? And everyone said, no, we cannot deny. Then, why should we be, as Meghalayan, outside development? Why should we turn our backs to a political party which is governing in the center and deprive ourselves of development? My reason in joining the BJP party is my need and dream for development to the people of Garo Hills and to the people of Meghalaya. The youths, they are desperately in need of jobs. The road conditions are so pathetic. We need more health infrastructures. And whatever is happening in Assam really encouraged me to move forward and be a part of this great party and to bring as many development as possible with the support and cooperation of veteran leaders like Bahad, and leaders of the party like Mauri. And it is with this belief and hope that I have joined the political party, that the BJP.
So we can say that you are also preparing to contest, on a BJP ticket in 2020.
Definitely, if given a chance. But I left that to the decision of the party and to their wisdom as whether they want me to contest or not. I leave it to the party to decide.
In case a party ticket is not given to you, then what
I still strive to work for the people. We are not interested. But now the Christians also should be part of this party and say that no, this is what the party says that respect the Christians. Party speaks about respect for the Muslims, for the Buddhists. The way there is this respect for all in Garo Hills. I want that within the party also. What the party wanted, what the party has put up as its objective should be given to the people. So it is because of that. Not if you can't beat them, join them. That's not the philosophy. That's why I'm joining the BJP. I am joining the BJP because I want the thoughts, the aspirations and dreams of the Christians heard on the stand that the party has taken.
But why not the NPP, which is being projected as a Garo party?
See, NPP, as I see it, has many candidates in its own form. They're all now clamoring for tickets. And as you all know, the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Sangma himself is there. So you think that I have a chance for a ticket there? So I would like to come there as a choice for the people. If they feel that Conrad has delivered, if they feel that the Honorable Chief Minister, who is the present MLA of South Tura, has delivered, then definitely they will go. But if Mr. Sangma has failed, then I want to be there to be as an alternative. That is provided the party feels that I should represent them.
With your joining, we immediately saw two faces. One is MDC of Tura and you as former MLA of South Tura.
Okay.
In that case, who will be the candidate?
I have just spoken about that. Now that wisdom I leave to the party. It is not for me to decide. If you look at the I would rather say it like this: the Constitution says that there is a committee who decides on the basis of the report that is given by the committee at the grassroots level and at different mandals, and it is only after that the party will be decided. So, like I said, I leave it to the wisdom of the party to decide.
Because that you believe that if you cannot beat them, join them, or what is it?
No, that is not the fact. I think you were not there when I was giving my speech or telling the people the reason that why I joined. I definitely said for the last 1.5 years, it is for this very fact that my fear of the BJP, my prejudices, because I never look at what BJP is. I never tried to find out what BJP is. I just listen to, like anybody else, what comes in the media. And then I also jump into conclusion, okay, they are radical parties, they are communal, they have the Christians, they have no love for the Muslims, no love for the Buddhists. So I hate them. Concluded. But then, as I work further and further, I look at the development. See, the first thing, what turned me into joining this party is me looking at the development that is taking place in other Northeast states. And when I see the development taking place in those areas like Guwahati, I would like to go there again. The first thing strikes me is that why can't we have this same development in a state? Me joining the party, everything in me says no, because I don't understand. Then I started interacting with Bahek. I discussed with Bamauri and Mr. Mahanta, who is a very close family friend. He's always been asking me, why don't you join the party? And I always say no. For the last 1.5 years, I said no. Then as I went further and further into it, the prejudice I have against the BJP was, why I call it as a radical and a communal party was that it has no love for my religion, my faith, the Christians. But then when I look deeply into what it stands for, then I realized that whatever the Constitution of India is giving to its citizens, BJP stands by it. But there are elements within the party would like to go beyond that and utter or may take steps. So I have to be there to see that, this is not the party stands for. Party talks about secularism, positive secularism. Sarma, Dharma, Samabha. Yes. All religions are equal. But then, this is not happening. Why? Because Christians are afraid to come to BJP, to be a part of the party. I have never, blooming of the lotus has never been there. You're putting it in my mouth.
No, you spoke once in the house.
Okay, anyway.
It's okay.